Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, today in this video we are seeing the modern window grill design ideas for 2024. So friends, the window grills can be effective physical barriers to intruders, and the grills are often installed the window to reduce the risk of individuals, especially kids falling off the windows. Besides this, the grills allow to air circulate with the room and do interpret the natural light from coming. And unlike the alarm and CCTVs, the grills are simple and solid metal structure that offer protection to the interiors of home. And when choosing window grills, you should consider the design of the window as well as overall design of the house and the theme of the property as well. And also make sure that the color that you wish to paint the grills perfectly complement the window color. That is not does not do out of look palace. And instead of choosing traditional home in windows 24, so friends, a great window grill design can give your property excellent and fresh way to improve its safety. The good news is that you can decide to have ornate and versatile styles with the window grill. You don't need to choose generic and outdated designs. This is because there is wide ranges of designs available in the market and that can improve any decoration. It is worth nothing that you find the simple and more complex window grill designs that can help to improve your interior appeal as well your overall appeal. The good thing about choosing the reputable window grill designs that can produce the window grills designs that works well for your house even better. And many homeowners usually neglect adding grills to their windows, but this is crucial features that every home. And when you install window grills, you can have to both aesthetic and functional benefits. No wonder window grills are becoming quite popular nowadays. There are several benefits you can enjoy when you decide to install window grills this. And while there are a couple of windows available out there, few them can match the benefits of wrought iron grill designs. And the good thing about window grills that they comes in variety of designs beside the traditional bars. Also, you can go for personality and style shine with the design of your window grills. Keep in the mind that improving the aesthetic of your house and attract potential buyers in long run when you decide to sell your property. No doubt windows are considered to be most vulnerable part of your house when it comes to safety, and such as people down can easily get into your house through windows. Therefore, installing window grills can prevent these cases from happening. And such people said wild animals can easily get into your house through windows. Therefore, installing window grills can prevent these cases from happening. Besides, window grills are not designed just to keep out of intruders. In most cases, overly children can try to use the windows to play, and hence you can make sure that they are safe by installing window grills. That's said, and this does not mean the window grills are the perfect and suitable for your house and security system. Also, you need to be s- uh, sup- supervise your children maybe the playing. The truth is that glass windows can allow to enough sunlight to get into your house, but remember that these glass windows contribute little when it comes to air circulation. Some homeowners prefer to leave their windows open, so they can be benefits a lot of installing window grills. This is because window grills and window screens can keep your house well ventilated. These features can also prevent insects from getting into your house. Some insects can cause harm to your loved ones. So make sure that you install window grills, window screens. And so friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like and share it. Thank you for watching. When choosing window grill, you should consider the design of the window as well the overall design of the house and theme of the property as well. Also make sure the color and you wish to paint the grill perfectly complement the window color. so that it does not look out of place. Instead of choosing traditional home windows where the grills is fixed into the building materials, you can choose window frame that comes with option to fix the grills or UPVC frames itself. Make sure you choose the design of the window grill that require minimal maintenance. It is always better to go for ones and with a smooth and rough finish, else you may have to put effort and clean stuff. Therefore, by keeping the above, a great window grill design can give your property excellent and fresh way to improve the safety. The good news that you